Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to import Adobe Lightroom presets on your mobile. The first thing you would have to do is download the free Adobe Lightroom app and install it on your phone. Once you download the app, this is the dashboard that you would see when you open it. The next thing you would have to do is to locate your presets. Now you would be able to access them through the dashboard of whatever website you bought them from, such as Etsy or Creative Market. Or what I prefer to do is just to download the zip file to my computer and email them to myself. That way I would always have access to them. So right now we're going to leave Lightroom for a second, and then we're going to go to my Gmail. And this is an email I sent to myself earlier. So we're just going to click on that, and you will see the presets here at the bottom. I'm going to click the arrow, and my presets are currently downloading into my downloads file folder. Now we're going to close Gmail and we're going to go back to Lightroom. Now the next thing I'm going to do is click on the plus sign here at the bottom and import an image. So this is just the images that would be on your phone. So I'm just going to locate the one that I need, which is this one. And my photo has successfully been imported. Now I'm going to click on all photos and locate the image that I just imported, which is this one. Now here at the bottom you would see presets as one of the options in the menu. I'm going to click on that, and here you would see a bunch of ones that are available in the app. But what we need to do is click on the three dots here at the top and click Import Presets. Now Lightroom is accessing your downloads file folder, and the top item here is the zip file we just downloaded from my email. So I'm going to click on that, and inside of it you would see all of the presets. Now we have to click on them individually, so you will click on the first one and it gets imported into Lightroom. Then same thing, click on the three dots, import presets, click on the zip file, then move on to the next one. So I'm just going to do 3 just to save time. So now if you scroll to the bottom you will see Vancouver Rainforest presets, and then I just imported 3 out of the 10. So once we click on that, here are the ones that we just downloaded. So you can go ahead and test them out and pick whichever one you prefer. Personally, I like this one the most. Once you're done with your image, click on the check mark on the very top there. And this is the image with the preset. Now, in order to save it, you can do a few things. You can click here on the 3 dots that are connected with a line, the usual share sign. Click on that, and you can share it to, save on to device, get a link, all those different options. Personally, I prefer to save it to device, so I'm going to click on that. And right now Lightroom is going to export the image. Once it's completed, press OK. Then exit Lightroom, access your gallery, and here you would see Adobe Lightroom has created a folder for me, and here would be the image that we just made. I hope you find this video useful, And thank you so much for watching.